Hello teachers, we know there's a lot of terminology in Focus Gradebook you may or may not be familiar with. This short video will walk you through some of the most common terminology and abbreviations that will hopefully make your job easier. S1 and S2. These terms refer to the two primary divisions of the academic school year, each generally spanning about 18 weeks. Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4 represent the four academic divisions of the school year, each typically lasting approximately 9 weeks. The Grade Legend is a great resource when it's time to input grades. I in complete. The use of I in the gradebook is reserved exclusively for final grades and should not be applied to incomplete or missing assignments. ABI, absent, incomplete. Unexcused and excused absences, EX for exempt, and M for makeup. If you don't see the legend in your gradebook, go to the settings and check Grading Legend. We hope this video will enhance your confidence in using Focus. Thanks for watching.